I'm really happy with that. Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video today. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are doing a little bit of an install per se. Ignore my car looking like a shop because I've got my wheels and some carbon fiber goodies, but the carbon fiber is what we're installing today. We are doing the diffuser from Carbon Imports. Now, I must admit, the carbon fiber bits, the diffuser, the spoiler, things I've put off as far as the build for the S5. Today is finally the day. We are installing them. We're actually on the way to Alex's house right now. You'll recognize him from previous videos. He volunteered his garage to do some work in. Better lighting, better just like overall, somebody to do the actual project with. So super excited to get this thing on because man, it is aggressive. It is pristine. I'm pumped overall. One thing I do want to mention, I already ceramic coated this earlier today. So the Adams graphene ceramic is what I coated my entire car in.
Crash reported ahead on I-696W in a quarter mile.
Anyways, Adams graphene ceramic is what I put on my car 2 weeks ago, and it's phenomenal. We like to take care of our parts here, especially when they're brand new carbon fiber bits. Without further ado, I want to get into the action. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more mods on the S5, videos like this, make sure to hit subscribe and like the video for the algorithm if you would, please. I don't want to end up like this person a quarter mile ahead of us, so I'm going to put my phone down. We're going to get to Alex's garage, and we'll see you there. A couple updates for our friends at home. There's a little screw that goes in right here, right there, that we just got out, and you have to take the craziest angle right under the exhaust tip, but we finally got it. It's a little T15, and there's one on each side, right on the end of the diffuser. Now, the issue we're running into, if I can hit a wide angle, some donkey that owned this car before me took out these little guys right here. So these are the OEM screws, which I believe are T25s. Supposed to go in here, and there's just none. So my diffuser has been holding on by the clips and by these two little guys over here for the last, I don't know, 40,000 miles. I guess that's good and bad. So I got those two little corner ones off now. The rest is just pulling it off with the tabs. So I guess let's let her rip.
Oh, like you just like literally pull it straight.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Do you see tabs?
I don't see them, but.
Oh yeah, you just can't be afraid of it. Easy.
Oh yeah. It's just hard because there's dirt and stuff around there.
When Ty was working on my car, dude, put it in my underglow.
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot, I have underglow stuck to my. Speaking of, long live the underglow. It's good while it lasted.
Just work it one by one.
Yep. Oh yeah. Nice.
There you have it.
That was quick. I saw people struggling on the internet doing
Really?
that. Psh, come on. So this is what an S5 looks like with no diffuser. That's cool. So here is the diffuser itself. This is, I will say, probably the most aggressive diffuser option for the S5. I mean, across everything. So let's install it, shall we?
Oh, I got it. It just went in. My side's going in. Like that.
Oh yeah.
That clipped in.
That's cool. Oh, it does look good.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, this is.
Well, ladies and gents, as you can tell, we started the project when it was light out and is now dark. So the diffuser is on the car, and it took a little extra time because, well, we ran into some issues. The first issue being OEM screws that go into the diffuser. There's 3 that kind of bolt up and hold the diffuser on. Those screws were not there. So some cowboy that owned the car before me decided he did not need them. And the funny thing is, Carbon Imports actually sends their kits with like 12 extra screws. And of course I thought, well, my car's gonna have the OEM screws. No way I need all these screws, right? Wrong. So we had to make a quick trip to Home Depot, pick up some similarly thick screws, and worked out just fine. So there's 5 screws in total. We just had to get 3. Luckily it all worked out, so it looks really good. And it's secure, it's safe, it's not going anywhere. We did a little wiggle test on it and it's on there solid. Fitment is phenomenal, by the way. Some extracurricular work just to get it to fit like perfect, but that's because I'm really OCD about it. There was like an 1/8 of an inch gap that was kind of pushing out. We played with it a little bit and we actually got the fitment quite good. So I'll show you guys that again when we pull the car into a spot where we can take some more videos and pictures. But I am super happy with the outcome of the diffuser. I mean, it completely transforms the look of the car. When I got my exhaust on, I knew the tips were too big for the stock diffuser, and I was like, man, you know what would look really good? A carbon fiber diffuser. So that's exactly what we did. If you guys want to check out the exact diffuser I got or want to browse more carbon fiber products for S5s, S4s, anything Audi, link will be in the description for Carbon Imports. But let's check out what it looks like on the car. So this is where I was talking about. We had a couple tiny little adjustments we needed to make, but overall the fitment is perfect. Now, all the way down, it's not gonna come off. Everything is on set. Super happy with the fitment, super happy with the final product. And it just looks so good with the tips on now. Might still need to adjust this one just a tiny bit. Don't wanna burn the diffuser we just put on, so might have some adjusting to do with the tips. Overall, the diffuser is doing its job. Holy cow. I'm really happy with that. It literally completely transforms the entire rear end of this car, which is what we wanted. I think my favorite angle is like right there. Finally, this car is looking how it should. Again, super happy with how this all turned out. It just makes you smile. I also did get a haircut just now, so if I look a little different, well, there you go. I'm finally happy with how this rear end looks. Completely transformed. If you guys want to see more of this, of course, subscribe, check out Carbon Imports, link in the description. I'm gonna stay up here, just kind of look at this car for a few more minutes. Thanks so much for watching as always, ladies and gents. Until next time, we'll see ya.